Hi, everybody. So it is now Thursday, and I just ended my 1 o'clock Zoom meeting, and we went over the evens that were what you would have done for homework had we had Zoom on Wednesday. And I was impressed. A lot of people had actually done their homework or at least were doing it with me. So that was good. A lot of people checked in today. It was good to see everybody. So number 2 on page 368, 394 divided by 2. First we say 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down my 9. So now I have 19 tens. 2 goes into 19 9 times because 9 times 2 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. But I bring down my 4, so now I have 14 ones. 2 goes into 14 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract and we get 0. So 197 was the answer. Did this on my last video, which did finally upload. And then I have this one, 3,448. Well, 4 doesn't go into 3, but 4 does go into 34. So 4 goes into 34 8 times. Make sure you've written it above 34, not above 3. And then 8 times 4 is 32. 34 minus 32 is 2. Bring down my 4. So now I have 24 tens. 4 goes into 24 6 times. Putting it in my tens place. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Bring down my 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, get 0. So 862 was your answer. Going on to this page, which I really liked because they gave me the graph paper. I love graph paper for division. So 6,246 divided by 3. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring down my 2, which is my hundreds place. 3 goes into 2 0 times. This one was a little tricky because of this. And then you just multiply out. 3 times 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then I bring down my 4, and I have 24. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Bring down my 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Boom. So the answer was 2,082. Now, number 4 and number 6 are teeny tiny, so bear with me. I had to write so small. So 1,106 divided by 3. Well, 3 doesn't go into 1, but 3 goes into 11. So we're looking at 11 hundreds. 3 goes into 11 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down my 0, which is my tens place. So now I have 20 tens. 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 8, 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Bring down my ones place, which is 6. So 26 ones divided by 3, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2, with a remainder of 2. So 368, remainder of 2. Number 6 is 7,380 divided by 6. This one's a little easier in my opinion because 6 does go into 7, so it's 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down my hundreds place, so I have 13 hundreds now. 6 goes into 13s 2 times. 2 times. 2 times 6 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Bring down my tens place, so I have 18 tens. 6 goes into 18 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Bring down my 0. This one was a little tricky in that you had to keep bringing down things so you ran out of things to bring down. So bring down another 0. 6 still goes into 0 times. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So 1,230 was the answer on that one. And then number 8 was a pretty easy peasy problem. It said the coffee shop sold 340 slices of pie in 5 days. If the same number of slices were sold each day, how many slices of pie were sold in 1 day? So this is 1 day times 5 days equals the total number. So this is what we were missing in our equation. So 5 does not go into 3, so it can't go into the hundreds place, but it can go into 34 tens, so like 340. So 5 goes into 34 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 34 minus 30 is 4. Bring down my 0. So now I have 40 ones. 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So no remainder. 68 slices were sold each day over those 5 days to come up with that total of 340. We're almost finished. We did these problems for homework. So a football booster club sold 456 slices of pizza at a game. If each pizza was sliced into 8 pieces, how many pizzas did the booster club sell? So we needed to figure it out. Each pizza was divided into 8 pieces, so that was the key right there. 456 total divided by 8 slices per pizza comes up with how many pizzas there were. So 8 goes into 4, it doesn't. So we're looking at 45 tens now. We're going to record on top of the tens. 8 goes into 45 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. 45 minus 40 is 5. Bring down my 6. So now I have 56 ones that I'm dividing by 8. And that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that 8 times 7 is 56. So 8 goes into 56 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Sorry, I got confused by my own song. And then 56 minus 56 is 0. So they sold 57 pizzas worth. Number 12, a flooring company needs 1,554 tiles for a job. If the tiles come in boxes of 6, how many boxes will the company need to complete the job? Well, 6 goes into 1, it doesn't. So it doesn't go in the thousands place, but it goes into 1500s. So 1500s divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Bring down my 5. So now I have 35 tens. 6 goes into 35 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. 35 minus 30 is 5. Bring down my ones. So now I have 54 ones. And 6 goes into 54 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 minus 54 is 0. So 259 boxes is how many they need. And then this last one is a beautiful one. The flower shop received a shipment of 248 pink roses and 256 red roses. The shop owner uses 6 roses to make an arrangement. How many arrangements can the shop owner make if he uses all the roses? So first we need to find out how many roses. That was the first step. 248 pink roses plus 256 red roses. 8 plus 6 was 14. Put down my 4, carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10. Put down my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So 504 roses is what they have. And they use 6 in each arrangement. So 504 divided by 6. Well, 6 goes into 5, it doesn't. But it goes into 50, so we're dividing 50 tens by 6. 6 goes into 50 8 times. And notice I'm in the tens place, so that's why I recorded my answer. 8 times 6 is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. Bring down my 4, so now I have 24 ones. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So 84 arrangements they can make with their shipment of flowers from today. And that was everything that we did for homework. So you guys I'm just about caught up. Now I'll do a recording of what we did in class today, and then we're almost ready for Friday. Woohoo, I'm so excited. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.